Kakadosh Bokaro, we're just going to continue with the halachot. Yesterday we already mentioned that during the time of the Bet HaMikdash was Kayam, so it's anybody that was not able to bring the Korban Pesach on Pesach Rishon would bring it on Pesach Sheni. So for example, if somebody was Tameh, so then they would do it until today, and we explained yesterday why it would wait until this time in order to bring the Pesach Sheni. And now what happens is that the minhag is not to do tachronim, obviously. It's a day of simcha, and there's a minhag also of eating matzah. So anybody that did not have, this is brought down that we said that even Rechaim Kanievsky, even though they did do tachronim because of the Chazon Ish, but they would still eat matzah on this day. So therefore today, if you can, just try to make sure that you have matzah, that you have, there's no tachronim for the rest of the day. This is the Hilulav Rabbi Meir Bal Haness. We know, I'll just give you something very interesting. We say De'aga belev ish yashchena acherim, al tikre yashchena liyisichena la'acherim. Meaning when a person is worried, he always comes and he should tell other people of his worries, and then it's going to calm him down. It's going to make the person into a person that's more calm. So what happens is that they say that really who is acherim in the Gemara? We know that acherim is always Rabbi Meir, right? Rabbi Meir was called acherim because he learned from Elisha ben Avuya, and therefore when it says De'aga belev ish yashchena acherim, so there's a piyut which is called Iftach Pi Berina. Iftach Pi Berina, there it says that when a person has a tzara, an et tzara, he should be nidor, lichvod Rabbi Meir Bal Haness, which means he should make a neder lilu nishmat Rabbi Meir Bal Haness. So this is the concept of tzara. Really, be'emet, we think that it might be a tzara. But really, be'emet, if you remember, we said that tzara is really ritzeh, ratzah. Kadosh Baruch Hu wants us, and therefore He gave us the tzara. But the tzara in itself is also not only a tzara, which are the same letters as ritzeh or ratzah, it's also tzohar. What is tzohar? Tzohar la'taseh le'teva is either an even tova or a light, which means that many times we don't realize, but HaKadosh Baruch Hu gives us this tzara, or He gives us something which is negative, which we think that it's actually negative, which HaKadosh Baruch Hu zofech, it changes it to actually be'emet a light, a beacon upon us. So therefore it's very, very important just to understand the power of what it is. Rabbi Meir Bal Haness said he was always melamed zechut an klal Yisrael in order that his zechut be'ezrat Hashem should always continue protecting us be'ezrat Hashem.